Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart sleep masks that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the TheraGun Therabody Smart Goggles. This high-tech sleep mask is more than just a blackout mask. It's a relaxation powerhouse. It combines compression massage, heat, and vibration to target areas like your forehead, temples, and eyebrows, helping reduce eye strain, relieve tension headaches, and prepare you for a restful sleep. What's unique is its biometric sensor, which personalizes treatments based on your heart rate to gently lower it, promoting relaxation. The design is sleek and modern, with contoured cushioning that ensures zero pressure on your eyes while providing a complete blackout experience. It's foldable, lightweight, and packs easily, making it a great companion for travelers. Plus, the 180-minute battery life is perfect for extended relaxation sessions. The included access to the Therabody app, offering a library of guided audio experiences, is a thoughtful bonus. However, while it offers impressive features, it's not the most budget-friendly option, and the lack of a published price might deter some buyers. If you're looking for a tech-forward sleep mask for deep relaxation, this is worth considering. Pros include its personalized treatments and premium build, while cons are its relatively unknown price and potential noise from the vibration feature. At number 4, we have the SmartRest Sleep Mask 2-pack. These masks stand out for their patented design, offering a perfect balance of comfort and functionality. The contoured memory foam design ensures zero pressure on your eyes, making it ideal for individuals with long eyelashes or those who dislike traditional flat masks. The extra-wide eye pockets allow free blinking, and the complete blackout feature ensures a distraction-free sleep environment. This set of 2 is a great value for families or frequent travelers who want a spare on hand. The breathable, silky fabric feels luxurious and prevents creases on your face or hair, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Plus, the adjustable straps ensure a snug fit without causing discomfort, no matter your head size. While it's less feature-rich compared to some of the high-tech options on this list, it's an excellent choice for those prioritizing simplicity and comfort. The SmartRest mask excels in its affordability and lightweight design, but doesn't offer extras like Bluetooth or heat. Pros include its comfortable fit and 100% blackout performance, while the lack of additional functionalities might be a drawback for some. In third place, we have the Mixaba 3D Contoured Sleep Mask with Bluetooth headphones. This mask combines the comfort of a lightweight, contoured design with the convenience of built-in Bluetooth headphones. The 3D shape eliminates pressure on your eyes, and its breathable material ensures you stay cool and comfortable, even during long naps or overnight use. It achieves complete blackout, making it ideal for light sleepers and frequent travelers. The standout feature here is the Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, which allows you to pair the mask with any Bluetooth-enabled device within 45 feet. The ultra-thin stereo speakers deliver surprisingly good audio quality, perfect for listening to calming music or podcasts before bed. The battery life is impressive, offering up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge. Plus, the zipper design makes it easy to remove the headphones for washing, ensuring hygiene and durability. However, while the audio quality is good, it's not on par with premium headphones. The Mixaba mask is perfect for those who want a versatile sleep solution with audio capabilities. Pros include its comfortable design and long battery life, while cons relate to its mid-tier sound quality and limited advanced features. In the runner-up spot, we have the LC-dolida sleep headphones. This 3-in-1 device is a sleep mask, Bluetooth headphone, and eye mask all rolled into one. It features a 3D contoured design that allows your eyes to move freely while eliminating any light leakage. The memory foam construction is soft, breathable, and ideal for side sleepers. Its adjustable strap ensures a snug fit for all head sizes, and the lightweight build enhances comfort. The Bluetooth 5.4 technology provides stable connections, and the ultra-thin speakers deliver HD stereo sound quality. With a battery life of up to 10 hours, It's perfect for a full night's sleep or extended travel. A quick 1 to 2 hour charging time is another plus. Whether you're meditating, traveling, or winding down after a long day, this mask is a reliable companion. The LC-dolida mask is a fantastic choice for those seeking comfort and functionality. However, the sound quality, while good, won't replace high-end headphones. Pros include its ergonomic design and excellent battery life, while cons include slightly limited audio performance and a lack of advanced features like heat or massage. Finally, at number 1, we have the Blackout eye massager with heat, music, and compression. This all-in-one sleep mask is the ultimate relaxation tool. It features built-in heating pads that provide a soothing temperature range of 104 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for relieving dry eyes, reducing dark circles, and relaxing the muscles around your eyes. With 5 modes, you can tailor the experience to suit your needs. Whether you want a gentle massage or a more intensive session, the adjustable headband and foldable design make it portable and comfortable for all users. It even includes customizable music options, so you can pair it with your favorite playlist for the ultimate sleep experience. The PU material construction feels durable and premium, and the noise level remains under 45 dB during operation, ensuring peaceful use. The Blackout eye massager is ideal for anyone dealing with eye strain, migraines, or simply looking for better sleep. At $65.99, it offers incredible value for its range of features. Pros include its multifunctionality and excellent build quality, while cons are limited to its slightly bulky design for travel and the fact that it's not entirely silent. Overall, it's a fantastic investment for your relaxation and wellness. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.